everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you very easy and quick recipe. I'm going to make Chatpate Chole. It's very easy to make. These are the Garbanzo beans and they are pre-cooked. The chickpeas, I'm going to open it. You can open with the hand. You can always take advantage of the machine. It's really easy and fast to do it if you have the machine. Otherwise you always can open it with the hand as I have shown to you. I'm going to drain the water. I washed with the cold water and I patted dry. The ingredients I'm going to use amchur powder, which is mango powder. You can always substitute with lemon juice. I'm going to use the dry cilantro, which is dhania, coriander leaves. You always can use it fresh. So mango powder, salt, black pepper, degi mirch, half teaspoon each, and cilantro, 1 teaspoon. Get a mixing bowl and I'm going to bring all the spices. Mix it. Once it's nicely combined into separate bowl. Now I'm going to bring the garbanzos. All the mixed spices we're going to sprinkle over like that, and then we're going to mix them. Once it's mixed, we're going to add more dry spices. Mix them again, the remaining spices. Mix it again. This is a really quick and easy, oil-free, oil-less snack recipe. So I'm going to use air fryer. And I'm going to put all the garbanzos inside the pot. And I'm going to make sure they are spread evenly. And now we're going to place it and we're going to cook it for 10 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And after 5 minutes, I'm going to open it. Keep the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and we're going to keep it for 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to open it to shake it one time. It started, so we'll come back after 5 minutes. 5 more minutes to go. I'm going to open it. We're just going to pull it out. And they're looking good. And I'm just going to shake it real fast and I'm going to put it back again. And it will start at the same time where it left off. It's 1 more minute to go. It's done. Now we're going to wait for the final beat. We can leave it inside for a couple more minutes, get more crunchier, but I'm going to take it out. Look at these. They're looking perfect, crunchy, and I'm going to take out in my serving platter. Our quick and easy and very tasty and very delicious, the Garbanzo's Chatpate Chole snack. They are very crunchy. And this is oilless, oil-free cooking. And they are very healthy, and please try it and you're going to like it. And if you like it, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.